This is an example of our video training bits where we use a remote expert that could be one of your staff employees that's going to describe a very complex process. Hi, this is Les McCarter. We're going to give you an example of how we might do remote training bits by using conferencing tools to tap your internal experts and bring their expertise and training to a format that we can then wrap up and deliver to match all of the other training. How would this work? Well, I would get assigned a topic. I would then reach out to our expert, discuss with them the process and the procedures, find out the details of what they plan to cover, and then give them tips of how to set up lighting and other ways to improve a video conference. We would then make an appointed time. I would reach out. We would record a video conference, whether it be Zoom or Skype or your choice. During the recording process, I'll be able to coach the expert. We'll be able to pause and pick up and do some post-editing. But for the most part, making it go as seamless as possible for your expert to take up as little time as possible, but still tap their expertise. Once it's done, I would put it together and package it up and send it off. Let's take a look at how this might work. Hey, Jenna, welcome to our training session.
Hi, Les.
Hope you're doing fine.
I am. How about you?
We're doing well here. Thanks for asking. Hey, what are you going to show us today?
I'm going to show you a brief tutorial on how to use JavaScript in a browser and how to execute it.
Great. And what do you do?
I'm a full stack developer at a local advertising company in Portland.
Great. Well, why don't you take it away and show us your desktop?
Okay. Execute JavaScript. You can basically do that on any page on any website. I'm going to be showing you how to do this on Chrome, but this can be done on any browser that you have. So what you're first going to do is you're going to right click anywhere on the page, and then you're going to see this menu. Or you could press Control-Shift-I on a PC.
Control-Shift-I, I see that.
So when you click on that, this menu is going to show up on the right. And you're going to see these different tabs at the top, such as Element, Console, Sources, Network, Performance, etc. And what you want to click on is Console. So from here, it's going to show this empty space, and then you can start typing anything. So what I'm going to show you how to do is to declare a variable and to print it on the screen. So the first thing you want to do to declare a variable is write var, that stands for variable, and then the name of the variable that you're going to assign this value to. So in this example, I'm going to call this example. And then so from here, you can assign this any kind of data that you really need. It can be numbers, strings, Boolean, which is true, false, or other types of data structures. For this example, we're going to use a string. And a string is basically a series of letters. And so you enclose your sentence or word within these two parentheses, and you end the statement with a semicolon. Once you're ready, you press enter. So by doing so, you're running this command.
So I see it says undefined. What does that mean?
So what that means is that once you hit enter, it's going to show what the value is that you just entered in. Since the value is being assigned to example, there's no return value, sort of to speak, like there's nothing to display because that value is being assigned to example. So I'll show you what I mean. If I write example right now, instead of saying undefined, it's going to show the value that's associated with this variable.
I got it. And so that's how you define a variable in JavaScript.
Yes.
Perfect. Hey, Jenna, thanks for taking time out for sharing some of your knowledge, and we'll talk to you later. So, this was just an example of how we might use remote video conferencing to bring in your staff experts. The mechanics on this particular situation was that it did take several retakes by the talent. We did edit out mistakes and start overs, and we did add in some sound enhancements and zooming for emphasis. You'll note that this was filmed at home, and so there was some background noise. The pros is that you're able to use some of your existing experts, and we can help walk them through how to put together a training session without too much effort. We're able to dive deep into a specific topic without you having to teach me as a professional trainer on a specific topic, although I know a variety of items and technologies and am a fast learner. The downside is there are some loss of production values because of the remote video conferencing approach, and it does take more time to prepare before, during, and after compared to our other one-take videoing approach. Still, it's another tool in your toolbox that you can work with us to provide training to your staff when you need it and where you need it.